Welcome to this video, where we explore the differences between off-grid and grid-tied solar systems. We will determine which architecture best solves your energy problem. Solar panels are now 90% cheaper than in 2010. This means the overall system design is the most critical factor, not the cost of the panels themselves. We will focus on three primary solar architectures: grid-tied, off-grid, and hybrid. The hybrid system is the modern standard, which we will examine later. Grid-tied systems act as a two-way street. Solar panels generate DC, which inverters change to AC. Excess power is then stored in the utility grid. The benefits of grid-tied include the lowest initial cost and minimal maintenance. The drawback is that the system shuts down during grid outages to prevent dangerous backfeeding for utility workers. Off-grid systems are independent islands. They provide 100% of required energy, with all power stored in large battery banks. Engineers must size panels correctly, especially for winter conditions. Off-grid systems offer total energy independence and avoid grid failures. However, equipment costs are 40% to 60% higher upfront, and the system requires strict energy budgeting and complex battery maintenance. The hybrid system uses a smart inverter to route energy intelligently. It first powers home appliances, then charges the local battery, and finally exports extra energy to the grid. A key advantage of hybrid systems is peak shaving. They use stored battery power during evening peaks, allowing owners to avoid high time-of-use rates from utilities. Modern components drive efficiency. N-type TOPCon panels are up to 23% efficient. Lithium iron phosphate batteries safely discharge 90% of their power, compared to 50% for older lead-acid batteries. This table summarizes the features of each architecture. Note the cost, outage protection, ROI speed, and best location for each system. To choose the right architecture, identify your primary goal. Grid-tied is for the lowest bills, off-grid is for remote locations, and hybrid is for backup power and time-of-use avoidance. Looking ahead, the hybrid home includes vehicle-to-home technology. Electric vehicles act as massive secondary batteries, powering homes during extended emergencies, enabled by battery cost decreases. Solar is no longer a question of if, but which architecture. Engineer your energy future by matching the system to your geographic and financial constraints.